Wait, we have to start in a different location.
Too late. All right. Welcome everyone. It's been a while since we did another okay, what am I saying? It's been a while since we've done a development stream on this project. Last time we left by we ended up finishing this thing. Actually, I don't know if we finished it. I don't think we did this part. We ended up mostly finishing this, which is the randomizer circuit. This generates all the ghost characteristics. So yeah, we did that last stream, which was 2 months ago. And we did a lot of stuff since then. Yeah. So first of all, at the start of this stream, we want to show you around a little bit. So you can take a look at what we've done in the past 2 months. And then after that, we want to just work on something. Just whatever comes up first. Probably like something on the map over there, which we'll get to. So yeah. Mambo, do you have anything to say before we get started with the tour?
Wait. You have to come to my very budget office.
Oh. Still under construction, I see.
No. There was a little attack recently. Okay?
Oh.
So, there's a little attack at my office.
Oh.
Basically, we have been working on this project. Bro, you gotta get that nice POV. Come on, bro.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Oh.
so get the 60 F4. Okay, so we've been working on this project. Wait, I gotta get my mic. I'm sorry. Okay, we've been working on this project for 2 months since last time. We've kept working on it, and there's been a lot of progress, and basically everything. We have an entire spreadsheet of everything to do, and we've started on like equipment, ghost behavior, and like a little bit of game logic. And this stream will be working on like mostly kit related logic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I have to finish fixing my office.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, I'm the better streamer.
No. Okay. Now, you want me to show them the spreadsheets?
Yes. Beautiful
Okay.
spreadsheet.
The beautiful spreadsheets. Okay, so it's not meant to do that. That didn't do anything. Yay, okay. There you go. Okay.
Still the same tab. Wait, what? I'm confused.
Yeah,
never mind.
I messed it up
Delay,
a little
bro.
bit. Okay, so we have this entire spreadsheet now with you know, a bunch of tabs where we're just managing everything. So this is really cool because we can just, whenever we're like looking into something, for example, say we want to work on EMF, it just search EMF, and then like, for example, we can just work on the general EMF system. If you want to work on EMF 5, that's there. And the EMF reader, the equipment, that's there. So we can just search for anything and then just go here and we have a direct link to the Phasmophobia wiki. So that's really useful. And then over here we have like the difficulty of the implementation as well as the progress we made, which we have here. It's kind of a to-do list as well. It's just a general to-do list here.
It's, planning is important.
Planning is really important, especially on projects this big. Then we have all the ghost information. This is kind of old, so you might have to rework this a little bit. I don't know. So some of these implementations aren't done yet. You'll see a lot of question marks. So you wanna...
I mean, technically, we know that we can do all of them.
True. Most of the ones that have like a lot of question marks are the ones I was really like stuck on. But the ones that are empty, I just haven't like gotten to doing those yet. So those should be fine. But yeah, this page isn't fully done yet. And you have the equipments, which, you know, it's just a list of the equipments. I don't really know what else would go here, but then there's a page about the experience calculations and stuff, and at what experience level what tiers of equipment are unlocked, which is really useful when we get to actually implementing the leveling system, and just some like functions for calculating the experience needed for every level up. Then this is just all the map items we're gonna need. So also all the map displays that we're gonna need to be able to, you know, have all this equipment. So for example, the EMF reader, that is the information from the EMF reader is going to be displayed on a map, which is player equipment. Then we have the total amounts of those maps that need to be in the game. And dynamic and static is just if we actually need it to be like a map display, or if we just have to display like a static image. This is also not done yet. It's just a list of everything that needs to be generated and in what order. And yeah, that's pretty much all the important pages here. So you can see we've done a lot of work. No, we'll show all the physical work we did in game in a second. But you can also see that we did a lot of work on planning everything out, which is especially important when there's this much stuff going on in the map. So yeah, I know me and Mambo are personally really happy with this like spreadsheet.
Yes.
Yeah, let me know what you think. I think it's really cool because like it really helps with the planning. Mambo is doing something. I don't know what he's doing. Let's get back in game now. I feel like I've shown the entire spreadsheets.
Guys, thanks to Bob the Builder, my office has been fixed.
Yo.
Bob the
Look
Builder.
at that. Look at that.
Ignore the armor stand that he's punching.
Armor stand?
There's just an armor stand if you go in the spectator.
Oh, that's not spectator.
Ignore that armor stand he's punching.
I see. I will. Okay, Malloy, where do you want to start with the tour? Maybe just where we left off last stream?
But that's okay. Over here then.
Yeah, so these are
Funny
some...
how it just disappear on your stream. It's this one.
Yeah, I mean, this is render distance.
It's this one.
Yeah, so this is a really cool map. Stuff. Yeah, I mean, that's one of the reasons why we planned it out this much, because planning is tedious, but it's really necessary, because if you don't plan properly, you'll end up having to, like... You'll end up spending more time fixing stuff and redoing and remaking circuits than you actually would have spent planning. You want to press the button? Okay. So this is a this is a part of the map display that Ecandu made for us, and it's gonna generate the name of the ghost and the response type. Yeah, he's very cool. He made this in one day. Like, it's kind of crazy. So yeah, it is gonna display the name and the response type on a map. So if I get a map out real quick, I don't know if this is aligned with the. It is, okay. So yeah, this will display the name and the response type. So if we just go here and power this, or unpower it, and then what? What do you mean no? It's the same. And then, so now if we let this generate, this was the circuit we made in the last stream. This generates all the actual information. And then it will let that information go through into this ROM that Ecandu made. I'm not moving. Fair. I mean, it's not that big for Telnet chunks. But... and then in a couple seconds, it should update the screen. Yeah, so it's doing it very slowly right now, but... What do you mean told you? It's updating. Okay. But yeah. So generates another name, and then also generates the response type. And then if you want to generate another one, then you just power it again. So what is map refresh rate? It's just a default map. I can show you in a second. If I just put a bot here, just put a bot here real quick, and then do this. I can fly over and show you what it looks like in real time. So there's a input delay between the generation, because the generation takes a while. Then it takes a little while for the ROM to actually retrieve the values. And then for this circuits to actually display, but there you go, that was already it. So most of the delay is just the initial input delay. But the advantage of this map is that it only needs to change once per game, and that's at the start. So the initial start delay would just be equal to that, because the entire game can't start if this isn't done generating yet. So we need to wait for this to be done anyway in order to actually start the game. So it's fine if we have to wait for this map to load as well. So it's not really that big of an issue that it takes a couple seconds. So yeah, that's one of the first things that we, or well, Ecandu did after the stream 2 months ago. And then now I want to show you some stuff that me and Mambo have been working on since then. So the first thing that we started working on, that I started working on, and then Mambo started helping me a day after, was the map, the shop map. So there's a shop in Phasmophobia where you can buy items of different tiers, and you have the equipment manager where you can load them into the truck. So yeah, we wanted to make this a map display, so we started working on that fairly soon after the stream. And this is one of those modules that is in this map. So this is a 3x3, I think, or 4x3. It's a 4x3 area. So you can see it right here. This is what it looks like. So if we take a look at this module, we have the displays here for these areas that you can see on the map. So they're blue by default. You can select them and they become yellow. And if we swap the shop, if you switch the map from being on the shop tab to being on the equipment tab, then they'll become brown. So I can demonstrate this. If I spawn in the bots, they're going to be able to load this in so you can see it on the maps. So actually I need to go over there. So if I like this and go here, you'll see that all of them change color. And that is because we're now in the equipment tab. And you'll also see that some of these now have different properties. So before in the shop, you could see the price of the item. That's now no longer visible. What you'll see now is how many of them you have loaded into the truck and how many of them you have in your equipment. So then up at the top here, there's just some more information, like your level and your prestige, your money, and your name. And we can unload those all in with this. So this is the same circuit that you can do made for us there. This would load in the player name. Then over here, we got the tier system. I'm working on a different solution for this because this is just really big. But yeah, this is for the tiers. So we can put in, like, for example, that are tier 3. And then that's going to update just like that. And then over here, we got the level, which is done here. So we can put in 9 there, for example, and there's already a 1 there. So that's going to be 901. And this takes a little bit longer to load. And then over here, we got the money you have. And this is done for the same circuits. I think I broke something here, actually, because it's not updating. But yeah, so we have all these modules here. They're just cloned versions of this. Although this version is a little bit outdated, because there is some more circuits in this than there are in this one. But basically, down here, we've got a system that calculates or keeps track of how many you have. Then, yeah, this is one of the things that it doesn't have, but this one does, is over here, you can load in how many you have in the truck. That is done through here. So we still need to wire that up for all of them. Then down here, this is a control circuits as well. And then, you know, we got some more circuits. This, for example, is the circuit for selecting a specific cell. So if you go here, you can select an X, Y coordinates. So for example, we can do tier 2 of the second item on the top row, which would be 5. And if we select that, if we look at tier 2 on the top row of the second item, that would be this one. So it selected it like that. So yeah, that was one of the things we worked on. This took like quite a while to make. So this is one of the major things that we worked on. Yeah. Then over here, this is another thing. We started working on the lobby. Now, I'm not going to show you the entire lobby just yet, because I don't want to spoil the entire project before the video comes out. But, you know, here's a little spoiler, I guess, of what it looks like. And yeah, this is just the backdrop for looking through the window. And then over here, we got the truck. Now, once again, I'm not going to spoil the entire thing, but it does look pretty cool. I would say, at least. Down here, we have a little mock-up version of settings room. So this would be the room where you can set all the settings for if you want to play a custom difficulty. So if you want to play a custom difficulty, you of course have control over all the settings in the game. So whether the doors start open, like the starting sanity, whether they can sprint, whether they have a flashlight, ghost speed, all that stuff. That's controllable with the custom settings. So yeah, that is what this room would be for. This is just an old planning area. And this is like a module that we have in the map, which I will show. This is the first prototype layout. I mean, it's not a layout because we're making the Willow Street map, so the layout is just of that. But it's basically the first mapping of what it would look like. We have an updated one over there, so we'll take a look at that shortly. Let me see if there's anything else over here. Yeah, so we have this is one of the circuits we're going to use for the leveling system, and so are these. This is this one of the current ideas of how to do the storage of all the player data. Yeah, and then over here is some more stuff that we did on the last stream. We kind of moved that over here because most of these are kind of redundant now. We might still use this room, for example, but this is the old starting version of the main lobby. And like I showed a glimpse of earlier, the new one is just way better. So we're not going to be using this anymore, so that's just over here now. And it's just a present that Mambo put somewhere for Christmas. So yeah, I feel like that's most stuff out of the way, except for, of course, the biggest part, which is the map itself. Over here we have some of the maps that we're going to be using for the equipment. So this is the map for the thermometer, and then these might be for other equipments. Mambo put these two down, so I don't know which ones these are. I think this one's for the parabolic microphone. Let me check our very useful spreadsheets. So the equipment that needs a map is the parabolic mic, thermometer, and EMF reader. So I know that this is the parabolic because it only has 2 tiers. And then this is the thermometer, so this needs to be the EMF reader then. So yeah, these maps are going to be for, you know, those types of equipment. So you can see we already started doing the redstone for the thermometer map. And this is actually nearing completion already, so that's pretty good. We just need to do the tier 3. And then of course these needs to be hooked up to their control circuits eventually, but those aren't done yet. So this is as far as we can go for now. And then over here we have the map. Don't pay attention to that. That's one of Mambo's boat racing tracks. Oh my god. Yeah, so then here we have some more planning, and then this is for the equipment. So for example, the dots projector equipment, then we have the 3 different tiers, as well as like some more information and if they're done or not. Some of these needs like specific placements on the map. So that's also what these colors indicate. The black just means we're not doing that equipment. So for example, we're not doing the headgear and we're not doing the tripod. Those are just 2 of the equipments that we're not doing in the project. So those are the tinted glass here, or the black stained glass. It's black stained glass, okay. Yeah. So, and then the white is just that it doesn't require a specific placement. And the green is that it does, but the placement's already done. So for example, the salts, we need, because of course, unlike the actual game, we can't just have it so that they can place it anywhere in the map. We need like specific positions where they can place the salts. So yeah, that is green because we've already planned out where every salt placement should go. And then for example, for the photo camera doesn't need to be placed down itself, but the photo camera makes use of detecting that you make a picture using skulk sensors. So we still need to make a grid of skulk sensors. So that still needs placements. which is already done, so it's green. So you can see that there are no orange or red glass pieces remaining, which is very good because that means that we planned out every equipment piece on the map. This is just some skulk sensor testing and the mapping for each item to their frequency, as you can see, with some more information to it. Then over here, this is actually interesting. These are the spawning cells. So you got, you basically set your spawn, and then you can drop down into the map. And then if you get killed by the ghost, you respawn here, you fall down, and then there's a skulk sensor that will hear you falling in this water and dispense a skull, so a skeleton skull, on your head like this. So all the other players know that you're dead, and then you'll be put into the map again, so you can still play. But it'll just be visually indicated that you're dead to the other players. Then we got some more circuits to the side here, but those aren't really that important. And then over here, we got the planning of the entire map itself. So over here, we have the truck again. Now, once again, I don't want to show the entire truck just yet, but this is what we have for the outside, for now at least. We're probably going to get some of the builders on to make this a little bit better, but for now, it's in a good enough state. So the entire house is mapped to scale. It's not to the same scale as it is in game, because that would be really hard to fit all the redstone in. So I would say, I'm not entirely sure on this because we haven't measured it, but it's probably like two times bigger than it should be. But because in game you move very slowly, you basically move like this. So, but in Minecraft, of course, you can sprint. So I feel like having the rooms be a little bit bigger than they are in game is a good way of basically tackling that. So now they'll be moving at like relatively the same speed, even though in Minecraft they're technically faster. The house is also bigger, so it takes longer. So it basically cancels each other out. So as you can see, these aren't decorated yet in any way, but they're basically scale mapped. So wherever there is like a cabinet, you'll see something like this. When there's a door, you'll just see some doors, or some table, the kitchen. So it's all scale mapped, but it's not decorated yet. There are some circuits that are already in. For example, this is the sink logic that is in both the bathroom and the kitchen.
Hi, chat.
Mambo's back. Mambo, I walked them through basically everything we've done. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Bro just really had to kill me like that.
Sorry.
So yeah, I was just showing them through the house just now.
Mm-hmm.
And I basically like explained the planning of the equipment and stuff, and the placements of the skulk sensors and all that.
You show anything of the lobby?
No, I mean, I showed like one corner because I flew into it like through the wall. I didn't show the entire lobby.
Okay.
Same for the truck, actually. I'm fine with showing the house because it's not decorated yet, so.
Yes.
Because Chad, like I said previously, I wanna keep. I don't wanna give any spoilers if I can.
Okay, I close the truck.
Okay. So I'm fine with showing this because this is not the final state it's gonna be in at all. But yeah, this is.
What do you mean, my beautiful porch, bro?
No, but maybe we'll keep that, but like the interiors aren't done at all.
I know, but look at my beautiful porch, though.
Yeah. It is.
It's amazing. I made it in 10 minutes.
You know what we could do? We on stream, we could start working on the roofs, maybe.
Hell no, we're doing the kit. I don't want to build.
Oh, okay. No building on stream.
No building on the stream.
We're doing the
Guys.
kid generation.
Guys.
Oh yeah, I haven't shown this yet.
Shown what?
This.
It's amazing.
This is the kit generator that Mambo made. So you can basically put in whatever tier item you want to bring into the truck, and then when the game starts, it will just send them all into this main water stream, and which will go here to the backside of the truck where the players can collect them. Okay, is there anything in the map that you want to show? Let me put on the pack actually. Research pack isn't done yet, but it's a work in progress.
It's not even close to done.
No, true. You can see we did do the salt models. I don't think we actually had this done on the previous stream.
What? Done what?
The salt. But
I'm not sure.
As you can see,
I mean, definitely not the can.
We can, yeah, that's for sure. But look, we can toggle the salt states. So if you place it down, it will look like this. And then if the ghost steps on it, it will go to looking like this. So it looks like the ghost actually walked through it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we don't have many models done. We have the crucifix tier 1 here. The flashlight, which I just brought over from the Phasmo pack. And I think that is all the models for now. Yeah. We also have a couch, but that's also not in its final state. But it looks pretty cool, I would say. Like this. And then we have the television here, which we can also toggle. What else was there in the pack? I think that's...
Somebody typed in chat. Crazy.
Yo. Yeah, the salt is really cool. I'm really proud of this one. So it's basically a retextured activator rail, or a remodeled as well. So this is an activator rail, as you can see. And because it has multiple states, we can just also give a different model to the powered state. So if you power it, then it will be an even different state. And then we can also retexture the item to look like the salt can itself, because the block and the item can have different models. So I did the salt can very recently, like a couple days ago. The salts, like the block model, that has been there for a while now. But I don't
also,
think
if you put more than one of them next to each other, they all activate. But like, maybe you want to change the rotation. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you like this, it looks a little bit weird. But
I don't know.
If you put them like this, it looks a little bit weird.
Mix all of them.
Yeah, we might want to look into the solution for that, but
I don't. Some weird rotation code.
I don't think it's that big of a deal, but
no.
You know. So yeah, that is already like quite a lot of the stuff we've done. Actually, there is a couple more models, but they're in the lobby. So I'm gonna show another little corner just so I can show these. And there they are. So you got the basketball, which I'm really proud of. This model took really long to make. Because I had to... It's not just the shape, because that can be generated with a script. It's more the texture. It's kind of buggy, but the lines, I had to manually paint these diagonal lines. The vertical lines were fine, and the horizontal lines as well. But the diagonal lines were really difficult to do. So I'm really glad.
And also the little hoops also.
Yeah, the little rings here. And then Mambo made these with block entities in game.
This is still all ended up.
Yeah. And then this rim for like the basketball thing that is just this, a ring, but scaled up.
Scaled up.
These are block entities, and then these lamps are they are block entities, but they're retextured iron nuggets, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, custom model data.
So if you do block display and then no, not block display, item display, and you do custom model data, you'll see this item lamp, and that is just a custom model in our pack. And we can move them about with Axiom like this. But they're all just vanilla block entities. Normally you'd have to use commands for them, but we can just use Axiom. So for everyone who wasn't at their previous streams, the rule that we basically set for ourselves is anything... Yeah, so that's the thing. That was what I was about to explain. The rule we've set for ourselves is anything logic-based. So anything that has to do with, like, playing the game has to be with redstone only. No command blocks, no data packs, nothing. However, anything visual that is just there to make it more entertaining to watch or more intuitive, that can all be done with resource packs and block entities. Because block entities aren't technically survival. Resource packs are, but block entities technically aren't. But we are using them, and I'll show you why. Because there's two ways we could have this truck. We could just have it with vanilla blocks, and it would look kind of boring, and some details would be left out. I'm just going to go ahead and show the truck. Are you fine with that?
Mm-hmm. Does it even open?
If we show the truck, look at this. It looks so cool. We can see the stripes in the ceiling. We can see these bars on the walls. These panels, these lights, the ceiling lights. This timer over here. The keyboard, mouse, the speakers, this lamp. That's all block entities. We could do something similar with just... like vanilla survival blocks, but it wouldn't look as cool, and they don't add anything like logic wise. It's not like this is an essential part of the map. It just looks cool, and that was basically our rule. If it's just for visuals, we can use whatever tools we want, but if it has anything to do with the functionality of the game, it has to be redstone only. And so I hope that kind of clears things up a little bit. That's kind of the rule we set for ourselves. I mean, the map
displays and stuff are all like that's vanilla.
Yeah, this map is vanilla only, because this is just a map on an item frame, and that is a part of the shop map that we showed earlier. That is just this thing. That is vanilla. Yeah, this is in the lobby. So this is what it would look like in game. These are block entities, but this is just a vanilla map display, and we have the controls down here. This is what it would. This is what it would actually look like when this project is done. So yeah, that's one minor spoiler, but you know, I think I think you all will be fine with that. It's just one.
If you don't want to get spoilers, don't come to the stream. You know.
Also,
only go after 1 hour of streaming.
Also, can we just take a second to appreciate these amazing pixel arts of the items? Like, they look so good. Like, look at all these. Like, the cameras, the books, these sound sensors here are extra cool in my opinion.
They're like exactly like,
they're exactly like what they look like in game. Like, it even has this like this little wire for the thermometer. They look so good. Like we can take a look at them, like what they look like physically. Because they're all over here. What the? Okay, my chunk rendering is a bit funky. Yeah, look at all this. They look so cool. Yeah, me and Mambo were both really impressed. Because, like, I made this, which is a dot projector. I made this as a sketch. As, like, an example of, okay, this is roughly, like what it would look like if there was an icon in this frame.
That's projector changed. He like slightly
Yeah,
modified.
I know. And then our builder, or one of our builders, made all these in like a couple days, which is crazy. And look how cool they look. Like, they have all the little details. They have the lines on them. They have like every single little detail. Because if I just pull up a screenshot of what this looks like in game, shop, Phasmophobia, there we go. If I just do that, let me put it on stream now. There we go. Look at this. This is what they look like in game, in the actual game. They are so similar. Like, you have the thermometer there. They're like a perfect copy, and it is really impressive. Like, if you go to this like handle, for example, down here. No, where is it? No, oh, for example, this I don't know if this is on. Oh, it's not. Okay, wait. Let me find the candle. Yeah, look at this. Like, so good. Like if you look at this candle, and then, okay, so keep looking at like the tier 2 firelight there, and then if I swap to the game, I wish I didn't have that, but look how close that is. Like, it's mind-blowing. I'm really happy with our builders.
I mean, this time was just one builder. But...
yeah, that was... imagine that. This was one builder. We have like 3.
We have 2 right now. So
yeah, we have 2 with 1 on maybe.
Yeah.
So... yeah, I'm really glad to see... or not glad, I'm really excited to see what the builders will do with this map. Because once we're done with the redstone, we'll hand them over this map. And I'm really curious as to what they'll do with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe
well, now we're actually gonna do...
yeah, maybe it's time to actually do something. Like, we haven't had a dev stream on this in so long that it's just... we just had to, like, get you up to speed for a second. Well, a second, actually, almost an hour. Oh, wow. Okay.
40 minutes. Okay. So I think we just, like...
Let's get started with... you wanted to do kit
gen? We can build it outside. You
wanted to do the kit generation?
Yes, I mean, like the sharing items.
Yeah.
So wait, chat is gonna help us design this UI. Because like, it's 15 minutes intro. It's crazy, real.
Yeah.
Let's build it this way.
Okay. So just for clarification, the reason why we need to build this is because in the actual game, you can share your equipment. So say you have a like an EMF reader. You can give that to another player and then they can use it. The problem with our version of the game is that it's really hard to track where a player actually is. Because a lot of things like an EMF reader or a temperature sensor, so a thermometer, is that it's really room dependent. Like the temperature changes depending on what room you're in. So we need to know where the player holding the item actually is. So we developed a system to be able to do that, and you'll see these modules everywhere.
It's like from YouTube, but yeah.
Yeah, but we made the circuit.
Yeah.
It's a technique made by another YouTuber with allays. Wait, let me actually look what YouTuber it was for a second.
I don't know.
It was... where did he put it? It's Lemon Arsonist. That was it.
It's fine. I'm here to entertain while he finds the thing.
It was Lemon arsonist. So he came up with a system where you could use allays to track players. The problem was you had to use traditional item filters, which aren't very space efficient. So we developed like this solution, which is really compact, and it sends the player as a pulse length over this wire. So basically what we can do is we can't track exactly what block the player is on, but we can track what room they're in, which is good enough. So the problem is,
you can also if you make it very advanced, you can also track, or you can assume where they are in that room at what like entrance.
yeah,
For some rooms, like hallway, you could assume that they're at the back or the front of the hallway.
yeah,
But that's like not necessarily always true.
yeah. So one thing that one problem with this system is that basically at the start of the game, say you pick up a thermometer. That thermometer is now going to change its data depending on what room you're in. So basically, the back end of the system, what it's going to do is it's going to be like, oh, JTech is in the living room. He is holding thermometer number 1. So we're going to update thermometer number 1 to the temperature of the living room. But now the problem is, if I give my thermometer to Mambo, the system's not going to know that. So it's still going to update the thermometer based on where I am and not where Mambo is. So what we're going to have to do is, if they want to share items, they have to go back to the truck to transfer the ownership of that item. Very complicated terms here, but I hope you kind of understand what we're meaning by this. Basically, whenever they want to swap
this
and
English,
yeah, basically it means that if you want to give one of your equipment pieces to another player, you have to go back to the truck to give it to them, basically. So to make the system aware of the swap is how I would put it. So is the circuit that we're going to be designing now, or the UI. And that's what we're going to need your help with.
Both. Hey guys, this is my concept UI.
Yeah.
What do we do? I mean, we can obviously like add like, I don't know, like some walls in between, maybe.
Mm-hmm. So this is like the UI that Mambo came up with. So if you want to swap with, for example, the pink player, you put the item you want to give that player in the send. You put the ID of pink, or like the name of pink. And then when you click this, it will put it in the receive barrel of pink. And if pink wants to send you something back, they put it in send. Put green.
Okay, can we just acknowledge that he just understood that without me explaining it and making it in the past 2 seconds?
That is good UI design. So Chad, what do you think about this UI? Does it make sense to you when you look at it? Because like I know I just explained it to you, which kind of spoils the initial impression, but like when you look at this, does it kind of make sense how you would send an item to another player?
Let's see.
It's gonna take a while for chat to respond. And then in the meantime, let me work on making the book. Do I do the colors, so lime, or do I do player 1?
The colors.
Yeah. Lime, pink, red, and blue, or light blue. Seems good to me. Okay. Yeah, that's good then. Yeah, because it seems like an understandable UI to me. So, is that where they get like the first items?
Yes.
Okay,
like anything that's like very general, like what's the word? Like their boots or whatever.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So that's just there for now. And that's fine. And then if you just take like boots, not food because we can't. I don't know. Anyways. Okay, wait. Quick trick. I mean, this is probably just intuitive, but when you design a system, right? You don't design all of them at the same time. You design one cell, and then if you have any adaptations for that cell, then you can like change it as you paste them all to like the other cells, or you can like or you just paste them, I guess, and it just makes it faster. Like, don't design all of them at the same time. Just do one, and then, especially if they're very similar, just do one, and then that's it. Why did it?
What?
Wait, I gotta put it back.
I mean, that's fine.
No, because you can't open it.
No. I'm like that. You have to put it at the back. It's fine.
Oh, yes. I think if that shows, it's fine.
Yeah, I mean, if it falls on
Can't
the
even
comparator,
see it that well.
like it can't fall on the comparator without the hopper picking it up. Like the hopper pickup range is a little bit above it, so.
I mean, I've seen like some. I mean, you can always do that. Okay. Anyways, that can just be there. Wait, look at your chat. I don't know how to answer that.
Have you tried to somehow make the design more user-friendly? Wouldn't it also get bigger by a lot? Yeah. I mean, if we want to have like one barrel for swapping and sending, that's gonna make it a lot more difficult, especially like
like worse.
Yeah, it's a bit more confusing and all. I think this is probably the best. I mean, if we want to, we can still put a sign on the note block or above it, and maybe even above the shulker to indicate that you need to take your items out when it appears, even though that's kind of logical. So we can make it more user-friendly with signs. I feel like the overall layout is logical enough, especially if we provide an explanation along with it why you need ownership and stuff like that. So yeah.
Okay, there you go. That no block now makes sense. So now we need just to like block this comparator. We have to make this like yes. Yeah, I'm trying to remember we have to stack this after.
Yeah, but that still fits though, right? Yeah, it does. Yes. Barely, but it does.
Just means I have to lock it all the way back here. Wait, how are we supposed to be entertaining doing this?
Yeah, I mean, that's the hard part of doing redstone on stream.
Guys, trust that. Look.
Trust the process.
We have to like speak out loud, okay?
Yeah. Okay. We're totally professional streamers.
Yes. Maybe.
Yes. Maybe.
So, like, I'm just designing this lock and I'm making it like tileable with the thing that JTech's making. So if I really want to see if it like is tileable, I can put his like circuit where it would normally go when you stack it, and I can look at which blocks get powered by it, which right now is like fine. So I know that'll work.
Mm-hmm. So basically what I'm doing is whenever the shulker box gets broken, that it will, well, whenever you take the last item out, okay, I need to fix that. That's because of the initial state. So basically what we're gonna do is like when we power this, let's make it like a button input for now. So let's put a let's make a little demo shulker. So like the lime, and let's put like some items in it. And if you put that into the dispenser, it's not going to place by itself. But we need to power this, and then that should. Oh no, that broke it. Of course, that makes sense. Then we need to block. We need to block it then. So can do that by let's put that there. So we need to. We can't add another block to this.
Yeah, you can, unless you make it like staggered.
Yeah, true. So basically what I'm trying to achieve here is the first part is detecting if basically what we want to do is when there's a shulker in here, we want to have it place it down. So it would be like that. And then this comparator will of course read that there are items in there. And what we want to do is if it runs out of items, then we want to break the shulker. Now it would be really easy if we have one more block, because then we could just not care if it turns on, but only care if this turns off. But the problem is that if we look at the size, that it's not gonna like if it stacks, it's already at the current scale, it's already gonna end up there. So we cannot add another block to this in width. So what we could do is put this comparator here, but that would be like a last resort because now you can see it and it's kind of ugly. So I really want to try to fit it in like this. That makes it a little bit more complicated though, because now it will power both when it turns on and when it turns off. So it just makes it a little bit more tricky. But what we essentially want to do,
you can just wait. What if you just do the funny, and you do observer pulse into observer pulse, like piston pulse observer.
Oh, that, yeah. I mean, I can try that. Yeah,
it's kind of just an ugly solution, but it works.
Yeah, and I'll just have it in the up state by default, and then like that. That would work probably.
Oh, maybe yeah, that might work.
That might work, and then I need to change this to be an observer input instead. But that's just
observe.
I mean, that's let's just put it like that. Okay, let's see. So is there? Yeah, the shulker's in there. Okay, power it.
Power what? Oh, that.
The observer. No.
It just break instant.
Why did it break? Wait. What? So wait, it powers that. And then
it's supposed to power it.
Yeah, I mean it's supposed to power it at the start, I think. Actually, do we need it? No, we don't. We don't even need that, actually.
Yeah.
We just need to do that. Yeah, I don't know why. I think that's just because of the previous circuit. Okay, Did you put the box back in now? Okay,
There's an issue with this right now, but it's fine.
Alright, let's
The torch just powers the no block.
Yeah, but yeah, but it's a temporary input. So there we go. And then if I take all the items out, then it will break. There we go. And then we just want this piston to go up when there's a shulker box in the dropper. So what we can do...
Can't you just do this?
Yeah, but then you'll... But I kind of like there being... like it being a block there if there's nothing there. If there's no shulker.
Fine.
Because what we can do, we can put a comparator here.
No, you can't. You can't even read from. Well, you know, bro is observer reading from all the comparators, bro.
So we get the observer input, then
I should have just kept it as a piston. I should have just kept it as a piston instead of a piston with vlog.
Yes.
All the trouble I go through.
You made me do this. You made me do this, Mambo. So then we can get rid of this, and then we just need to do...
Oh, my flawless. My node block.
And then...
My precious.
And then we also need to make it...
Put a rail. Put a rail. Put a rail. Put a rail. Put a rail.
Okay! Okay. That should work. Oh, and also it needs to...
Sorry.
Do that. I don't know if that works. I mean, it probably does, because the dispenser takes like a couple ticks to actually dispense after it's powered. I think that works.
Sure, that should be fine.
Okay, so if we put a shulker in, we can just route it like that. So put one in. No! It just need a couple more ticks.
What happened? I'm blind, guys. I'm blind. Wait. Let's see.
Big step. Oh, you put one in. Okay. Oh, I might know actually. Yeah, double triggers. That makes sense. Then we just need to put like...
That's the same thing. Oh, no, wait, no, because it's
that's not the same thing.
Already pushed in. Okay.
Yeah.
yes.
I mean, observers are the goat, to be fair. Like, they can, like, you shouldn't always overuse them, but like in situation like this, where there's like a space constraint, there always seem to be the saviors of the day. Because like is it just this? Yeah, just this.
Just moral of the story: worship your observers.
Yeah. Okay. So put that in. Why? No. Okay, wait. Maybe I needed a couple more ticks. Maybe, potentially. Why? Bro. Oh, that was it was just in the wrong state, I think. Let's go! It works! And now you can take these out. And let's go!
And you put another one.
Uh-huh.
I don't have one.
No, I'll put another one. Hey.
What if there's more than one item?
It still works. I tested with 5 unique items. It still works. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's like That's the entire like initial kits stuff done. We just need to do this part, which you already did, I think.
I did the unlocking of the what is it called? Lectern? No, comparator.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. So that would send it, and then we just need to do this logic for.
Which? Oh wait, can you get that? What is it again? The thing to send hex signals.
Right. The magic circuit that I keep forgetting how to build.
No, that one's easy. That one's just a pulse extender.
Oh yeah, actually, okay, yeah. It's the receiver that's the hard one. Why do we need that for this?
This?
Yeah, why do we need that in this case?
I don't know. Maybe we'll. Maybe we don't. I don't know. Wait, 1 second.
I think it's small enough that it's not required. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh.
Guys.
Oh, I know what this is. Okay.
Guys, if I break one block, it's all over. Oh. I got banned.
What version is this? As in what game version? Because right now this is on 1.21. But you know, we might update to a new version. It should still work on 1.21.4. Yeah, if we need the creaking, we'll update. No, but I don't think there's that much like redstone difference between this and 1.21.4.
Wait, can this just be 2 ticks?
Maybe.
Why would it not work?
I don't know. And then this can be shorter as well. Try it. I tried it. It doesn't work.
Also, it's like just timing. There's more than one thing in the... Wait, so right now it should be...
Oh, but it's in the wrong
state.
Yeah.
Also,
okay, it's still
other
not working
trick
though.
is to use test shulkers, like for example for these systems, where I don't know why, but like sometimes it's just weird. Technically, in this case, you would maybe only need like 2 items inside of your shulker, but just in case, I just made like this very quick test shulker, which has different items with different amounts of them. So like, you're sure that whatever you're gonna put in that shulker will work.
Mambo, I tested. This is the only delay configuration timing configuration that works for some reason.
Interesting. I guess it's just timing.
Yeah.
Yes, like this is just like what a test shulker might look like.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, going back to the version thing, so it's 1.21. We currently don't really have a reason to update to 1.21.4.
And we have all our mods on here, so like we more have not.
I mean, it's not like we can't update to 1.21.4 because Redstone Essentials is out on 1.21.4 right now.
Oh my
god. No, but like, it's just the hassle of updating all your mods, and we don't currently have an incentive to update. But if there's like any feature in the newer versions that we kind of want, then we might update.
Maybe in the next project. Okay.
But honestly, it's like it's just the hassle of like waiting for all your mods to update, except for Redstone Essentials.
Oh my, this guy just.
Yeah, same. It's mostly like forgetting mods, or like your configuration is messed up, or like you need to copy config files and you forget stuff maybe, and some mods aren't updated yet, except Redstone Essentials.
Dude, I can't.
Okay, I'm just proud of myself for updating something for once,
Somebody
okay?
please save me.
Bro, it's a good mod. What are you talking about?
I didn't say it was not good.
You're telling me you don't like this?
What are you doing? This? What did you even do?
I made a byte selection. A byte
Bruh.
output. Now I have to disable it.
Yeah.
There you go. Bro, please, no. Please clear them, please. Mambo, please. I'm gonna spam your screen now.
And what if I just... What, can I not... Wait, I can clear them on my side? Oh.
I have to make an option for that.
You really do. Okay,
Mambo.
these work.
Mambo, look at this. You like my pings? Okay. I cleared them.
Aha!
I cleared
I
them.
have defeated the system.
No, wait. I should have prevented that. Rejoin.
Why? Why is that? There's no way that's an option. There's no way that's an option.
It is. Actually, I don't know if I made it in a config option. I don't think I did.
What do you mean? How did you like turn it on and off?
I had to custom code it.
Yeah, but just a second ago it was like on. I was not there when I rejoined.
No, because I cleared the second you left.
Oh, I see. Okay, wait.
It closed up, by the way.
Guys, look how compact and clean it looks.
Yeah. Look at this. That looks sick.
See, this is why redstone's so cool, because you make this one thing and then you stack them and then they work perfectly first try when you stack them, and then they look this compact and cool, you know.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it needs to calm down. Okay. Anyways. Yeah,
Okay,
now
so
we have to actually do the...
now you have to do the ownership transfer.
So probably we wanted to start with sand.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of want to make it so everybody can send to the same person at the same time.
Right.
I don't think that will be that hard. So basically, when you click validate address, it should also send the item that you're sending, right?
Yes.
So it should unlock it for all the items in there.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Okay, found one issue. Currently, we don't know what's being sent.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we don't know if they're sending like a EMF reader, a thermometer, or like whatever.
So we have to filter for it first.
Yes, wait, let me see. So,
Yeah,
we're only doing it for maps?
What if we do this? What if we set like when we send and receive? What if we just send it to like a central area, which filters and like processes the ownership, and then it sends it to whatever.
Yeah, I think
player
that's
it
the
should
best
send it to.
idea. Wait, Zoomrel, what do you think? So great name. You got 4 viewers. You gotta entertain the 4th one now.
Oh, okay.
Bro, don't leave, bro. No, he left. No. No. Why?
Nah, the way you said that.
Okay, Okay, wait. So okay, now we need to figure out which items require ownership tag. I guess I don't know what to call it.
Yeah, probably most of them, to be fair.
No, I don't think so. I think it's just maps.
No, but okay, so EMF reader needs ownership.
Wait, can we place like just a...
Let me place purple glass if it needs ownership.
Sure.
What's going on? It's 5. Oh, okay. We're
I
basically...
haven't slept. Oh god.
Oh god. It's almost like E can do.
No, it's worse, bro. It's...
So what we're working on now is, so what we did is we did the kits generator, not kit generator, but not distributor, like, okay. I'm struggling for words. So we made the system that basically presents your kits to you so you can get your items out. And now what we're working on is figuring out what items need ownership. So the thing I talked about earlier, where some items need like additional processing for the system to know what player it belongs to.
Calm down.
Okay.
A little slower, bro.
Yeah, okay. So the items that, you know, need to be aware of what room they're in, basically, those need ownership. And we're working on figuring out what items those are. And then we're gonna work on the system that allows you to share them or like give them to other players. But for that, we first need to know what items actually need that. So we're gonna mark those with purple glass on here.
I think all cursed objects, right? Wait. Tarot cards, yes. Monkey paw, yes. Summoning circle, no. Wait, no, because monkey pot, no, because it's just a note block. Haunted mirror, yes. Voodoo doll, no, because it's also just a note block. Ouija board, yes. And music box? I don't know if it matters. Does music box matter?
It does matter what room you're in, so
Yeah.
So it would need that.
Also, wait, we can make Ouija board movable, right?
Maybe we could. Also, do we want to make the crucifix ownership? Because technically in game it works while it's in your hand.
Oh, then yeah, sure. I don't know. Is that and then we need the spirit box too, right? I think because we need to know where they are.
Yes. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's 9 items. That's not too bad.
Yeah. So basically, what we just did is we represented each one, which need like I guess we can call it like a ownership tag, using purple, glass, and right now we're gonna filter all of them in like probably just a very custom item filter.
Yeah.
And then like that we know which item was sent, so then we know what that player is like holding.
Yeah. One thing I want to determine first, because like obviously we won't have the final items yet, but I want to see if there are any unstackables.
There is.
Because the map is stackable, a signed book is stackable.
Wait, map is stackable even if you have it. Oh yeah. Okay.
The map is stackable, a signed book is stackable. This will also be a signed book. The compass is stackable, but to 16, right? Oh no, it's 64, never mind.
Also wait, for the spirit box, do we want to use a key card or something else? Because it's not, I mean, like a book and quill or something else. Because like technically it could be just any item.
Yeah.
Maybe we keep the trend of the iron nugget.
Yeah, sure. The reason I use iron nuggets for everything is because even in survival, it's a really easily obtainable item that you can't place down or do practically anything with.
Yeah.
You can't craft anything with it in your like 2x2 square. So you need a crafting table. That's why I always use iron nuggets. But yeah, to me, it looks like, except for the cursed possessions, there aren't any unstackables. Because for the cursed possessions, you have the iron boots.
Yeah, but the iron boots are easy to filter.
True, that's just equipment, I guess.
Wait, so it's kind of... That's pretty easy. Okay,
Yeah.
so first we filter just if it's unstackable or stackable, right?
Mm-hmm. If it's unstackable, it's definitely a cursed possession.
Yeah, and then we also want to continue filtering after that anyways, because just in case it's like...
Multiple.
Yeah. If it's like, if they send like a thermometer and a cursed possession.
Mm-hmm.
So we definitely want to just do like that. But anyways, it should go for the armor stand filter first. Okay.
It doesn't even have to be an armor stand filter. Because it's the only unstackable period, so we can also just use, like, can we just, isn't there a better unstackable filter? Like, I know there's a easy shulker box filter, but that's like different. I mean, we could just use the armor stand thing. We only need one anyway.
This is where you do research, guys.
Yeah, the research. Okay, so first...
It doesn't really matter, though. So
no, it doesn't really matter. The first things first, though, is actually sending the item when clicking the note block.
Yes, so there's two things. It should first unlock the send item. Then it has to make sure it drains all the items from it.
Yeah.
And then it has to lock it back for the time that it's like for the time that it's like looking at it. I don't know how to explain. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you shouldn't be able to send more items.
Double sending. Yeah. I have an idea on how to do most of these things. So first of all, the initial locking, just like this. Then we need to also read if there is multiple items. So for the item reading, we can just like do that, I think. I think that works with stacking. It does. Maybe it's better if I move this around a bit. So we can have the comparator here. So we can read if there's items in here. And then we can basically we have a target block here. And then repeater. Actually, it would need to be a... Would it need to be a torch? Yeah, we need to be a torch. So we need a torch here.
I added one thing to the UI, which is just like, it says if you can send items again.
Okay, nice, nice. So this would have to power that.
What is this line for?
I'll get to that. But I'm trying to power this, but it's like a bit tricky because I'd only have like one like that, and then there we go. That should work.
Wait, why can't you just like hard power this anyways?
Because it will power... It will... Oh yeah, well, you would have already received your kit by then, so...
Yeah.
And then... There you go.
So if I put an item in right now, it should be locked. Right? So I put a couple items in. Just get that there. I write whatever address I want. So like I want to send it to Pink.
And then press it. And it should lock it for...
Oh, it didn't work.
What? Maybe you need a little pulse extender here.
And maybe that's just fine. Like something like that. Might just be enough.
Sure, try that. Oh, I know why. This needs to be directed into that.
Oh yeah, fair. Thanks. Okay, so there is 7 items, different items.
Yeah. What? Does it also need to be the one under?
Maybe.
Hoppers are confusing sometimes.
Like I have read the wiki 50 times at Hoppers, and every time just like not explained properly. I swear.
Why is it not detecting anything? And that item is
Maybe
clearly going through.
you have to do it like this. Why does that not power that? Oh, it does.
Try now. Huh?
Did it at least detect?
Wait, I know, I think. Try now. Needs to be even longer.
Why is it not detect? Hey,
What?
chat. Is anybody in chat? No, everybody left us. It's crazy.
Why is it not working?
If I put an item in here. So, wait, maybe if you...
Yeah, sure, let's try that. And then... Looks cleaner too. Excuse me? Why are you not reading anything, bro?
Here it... Wait. So that reads if I just put it directly in it.
Yeah. So if you put it directly in, it works. So you needed to like...
Okay. We're not perfect, especially when it comes to hoppers.
Yeah, whoppers are weird sometimes.
Whoppers? Whoppers, I love my
whoppers. Hoppers. Okay, I put some random items in there. Maybe try it now.
Just wait. Here.
Please.
Just
Why?
It's probably just flowing.
What if we move the comparator 1 down to this hopper? Try now. What? Rose spamming the note block.
I burnt out the torch.
Okay. Okay, let me put some items back in there.
Okay, guys, wait. There's one more. There's a new person. Hey, new person. Do you know how hoppers work properly? What if we did this?
Okay, try now.
Wait.
What?
Me when item filter situation. How does an item filter work, but not this? It's like basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, back to the drawing board.
Wait. It might need to be like that.
Facing away?
Try?
Right. No.
No. No. Why?
Dude, I'm not going back.
Why? Oh my.
What's up? My bad.
Okay.
Is that how an item filter looks?
Kinda. If this doesn't work, I have another idea.
Oh, wait. Okay, so it has the one under it locked.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but that's the problem. We also have to lock the one that's pulling it, because otherwise it will just take them out of the barrel in this first ticks. So you can.
Okay, wait. Okay,
like
wait.
that.
So then,
But I have an idea though, because it will
then we
expose
just
one more
move
block here.
everything.
It will
then we
expose a
just-
block here, but we can actually read from the barrel itself, I think. Yeah.
Oh, fair. I guess you can. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's another solution than reading from the hopper.
Swap block. Great redstone essentials tool.
Okay, bro. This guy, he can't. The promotion goes insane.
The promotion, yeah.
That's the most important.
Guys, it's for my Modrinth ad revenue.
Yeah, you gotta make that $1 extra.
Yeah, I mean, it's better than my YouTube ad revenue, because that's 0.
Guys, please subscribe.
Oh, okay. All right, so we just need to so we have this, and then we just need to make it. Yeah, this is a little bit complicated, because now we need to make like logic, because if we put an item in here, it's gonna like if we lock it, and then put an item in, like it's gonna read. Yeah, so it's gonna have a signal strength here now, but we don't want it to unlock it yet. We only want to unlock it if this bar. So we probably want to use a latch or something. Oh. Okay, and then
So that will then unlock sending a signal. And then it has to keep sending a signal until it's like empty.
Okay, let's see how we can do that then. So we need to take from here. And I have an idea, actually. We just need
Yeah, I
to
think you
make
definitely need
it...
to like overlapping between the two.
Just make it like...
Yeah. That's it. It's like that one locks it.
And but somehow we need to make it a permanent signal here. So wait. We put it into oh we put it
Whenever I
into
see the redstone.
we have to put it into the
Does that work?
no, I don't think so. I know what we have to do though. We have to put it into one of those like
Latch.
these things.
D-latch.
And then
If you just use a comparator D-latch.
yeah.
I mean a repeater D-latch there, maybe.
Okay. Now the problem is how do we power that? Yeah, but then
I know. I don't think this is the way to go.
I think this is the way to go, but I don't know about the how we power this. And also this powering doesn't work because it needs to be
Yeah, just, you can.
that works too.
Does it?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I mean, I guess that makes sense.
But then we do still somehow need to power this torch. So what if we do... Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh, fair.
Let's see if that works. Because I think it might, honestly.
No, it won't work. Wait, well, I don't even know. Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
I mean, we still need to make it actually power this.
Just do this for now. Just do this.
Yeah, but it will just stay on forever because the items don't actually go anywhere.
Yes, they do.
Actually, okay, yeah, fair.
Maybe you do want to hook it up. I don't really know.
I think we should hook it up.
Okay, fair. That.
Probably want to have just have like the top. Sure. Let's see if that works. So if I put that in, that is an entire row, so that just should fill out my hotbar. If I do this, oh, 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 ah, there you go. That's how it's done.
Chat. Trust it works.
Chat, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. Then we can then we can work on actually like sending it. Then we can work on the main thing, which I think we can put that on like here, maybe, because like the hoppers are already going this direction, so might as well put it under the floor here.
Wait.
What?
No, the logic would go here. The logic would go at the back.
You sure? Oh yeah, okay. But then we have to wrap the hoppers under.
I don't know yet. Ignore the hoppers, because that's like
Okay,
that would be like the delivery step, which is after.
Okay. Good night, Zoom Rail. Thanks for thanks for being here for 2 hours almost.
That's kind of crazy though.
It's kind of crazy. Dedicated viewer right there.
Yeah, for real. It's a real
Good night. All right.
Why do you get no viewers on Twitch? What is this from?
Okay, so I mean, to be fair, the Twitch discovery system isn't great.
Fair.
But yeah,
You also have less followers on Twitch, but yeah.
Yeah, but let's work on this system, I guess.
Yeah.
Um.
Wait, actually, we need to work. What is it? Wait, actually, maybe it's the filter next.
The filter? Yeah. But then we have to work on the delivery system too. We could just work on the filter like separate. Like just make the filter here.
I think it's the filter.
Let's just make a filter then. So we need to
so
filter
first,
for
armor stand.
Yeah, armor stand.
So it's either not or is an armor. Like.
We'll probably do the dispenser here. And if it's
wait, what is this one for?
What?
What is this dispenser? Is it for the lava?
No, it's for the item.
Okay, and then maybe this one's the lava.
Yeah.
Or maybe.
And we can do that. So it would shoot over if it's
an item.
It's an item, and then we can put the one for the armor stand here, maybe.
Yeah.
So if we put some stuff in here and just make it, and then actually just make this like glass, like that, and then we can just and those are all in there. Oh, not all of them, actually. Okay, yeah, so some of them are hitting that, so let's move that there. And then...
What are they hitting?
It was hitting the block sometimes. Okay. So the items would go in here. Or here. Does that work?
Yes. The items go in here.
Yeah, but the lava won't be able to dispense now, right? Yeah, okay. But now we have the same, yeah. Okay, and then the items can go like in here, for example. Then we have to power the
Make the items go
thing.
here. Make the items go here.
Where? Why?
Because if it's a just so we can power this and this at the same time, because like that's how would you replace the armor stand.
Okay, but then we gotta move the hopper. There you go.
Okay. I lost all my entertainment. Okay.
I was doing real left, that's why.
Mm.
Okay, so we have the. Actually, we would put the armor stands. No. Okay. So the items would go in there. Then it would have to power itself. So if there's an item. Then of course it needs to.
Bro, forgot.
Okay. Bro, forgot what? Why do we need it like that?
What if there's more than one item?
It doesn't work with that anyway. It's too fast.
It's the same size, bro.
Okay, fair.
I was complaining about one concrete block. Oh no. Oh no.
Concrete block?
Yeah, because technically when you did yours, you don't need like... Oh wait, no, because the... Okay, whatever. Nah.
Okay, so... What is over there? Okay, so we need to... Also... Uh... Hmm. Okay...
You gotta make it more compact than in the Among Us redstone shop.
Okay. It was in the in the roulette wheel actually, but yeah.
I consider that entire area the redstone shop.
Okay.
What if they put an arrow in? Is that possible?
No.
Do they?
They don't
Is
have
there anything that
arrows.
would like be like special to the dispenser? You know what I mean? Yeah, I found one. What if they put an ignite?
Okay.
Wait, I want to work on that.
Can we just make the block a slab?
Yeah.
Wait, can you even ignite something when it's in water? Does it, or does it
But
break the water?
Wait, but there's also like a fire charge. Wait, but wait. Uh, uh, technically, if you put that in there, that should not be something that you should be giving anyways. So like, if you lose that item, it's like your fault.
Yeah, because you don't have ownership on that.
Fire igniter, yeah, exactly. You're just using your igniter, or like, what else would you? I mean, the rest we don't care, and you can just like say, if that doesn't filter, then it just goes like something that just gives it all back. But you can technically use a fire charge. I don't really care though. It's kind of their fault. Or you can also use an incense. Also their fault. Okay. I'm just checking a couple items. Okay, that's like it, I guess. Maybe. No, okay. Cool, that's just it. If you lose that, that's your fault. It's the only item you can lose. Is the fire charge. Right? I think so.
And only if you're stupid.
And that's only tier 1 igniter. Like, sucks to suck. Trade say that's so much bigger than the Among Us.
Bro, what? How?
I'm just gonna crash my game, but
There we go. So we have to then...
okay, I'll agree that could be optimized. Wait. Oh wow, this is scuffed.
I know.
And we broke it with an arrow?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
That's not even renewable. Why were we breaking it with an arrow? Okay, time to crash my game. If you break a snow layer with a piston, you get a snow blow.
What?
Yeah, I think if you break a snow layer with a piston, you get a snow blow.
I don't know.
Oh, does it not burn? Why does it... Was that cobble leaves?
Not a stone.
Is it just not burning? Wait, so does it burn or does it... Can I put a sign here somehow? Okay. Now it's Troy.
Okay. Yeah.
It doesn't burn.
Bruh.
Is it because it's in the water and so it keeps like burning and unburning?
Yes. Probably. Why is the water even there?
Because when it falls off on the boots. Wait, actually, wait. You're right. We shouldn't have the water, maybe.
Maybe we could just make like that. Oh, By
No, this. Because you want to sort it. Otherwise, you're just like putting them together at that point.
true, but there's a
both-
chance it will still fall on the other one though.
Wait, okay, wait. Is this like technically like if you do this, you put an who's a minute? Wait 1 second.
Okay.
Let me try let me try my own thing over here. Oh. Why did that move? By you and again cracked is cracked on another door. I always forget I need to have that as a sticky piston. There we go. So I have that, and then a dispenser. How cursed do you think the setup is gonna end up?
Probably pretty cursed. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Like, can't we just have one LA trying to sort for the boots?
I mean, you can try that. Wait, let's just see what comes out tomorrow.
I think I know the answer to that.
Nah. Let's see. So I kind of just like building this.
Okay.
See, they all doubted me. But I proved them wrong.
Okay.
Was on this villain arc. Nobody messed with. Nobody messed with him. Chad, you ever want to see how bad we are at GeoGuessr?
Bad?
No, I mean, amazing.
You said bad.
No, I said amazing.
Okay, there you go.
Bro, I hate when it does like the thing where you have to, when you open your inventory, you swap an item, and then it doesn't end up swapping. Do you never get that?
Sometimes. Okay, let me get my...
Okay, I guess we're just gonna use the laser. What is what?
What?
Why is this? How is that an LA sorter?
No, this is just a normal item sorter.
And what is this?
That's what the LA sorter is. At least, no, it isn't. Like, it's not done yet, but...
Okay. I'll let you do that because I don't know how it's done.
I vaguely remember doing it when I was working on my storage stuff.
Bro. This guy's been in every community.
Yeah. Okay, and then I probably... Did I need to move that over, or am I tripping? I think I needed to move that over, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Oh my god. Hmm.
I feel like that needs to have a gap for the hoppers.
Hmm.
Huh.
Oh. Like the most accurate Belgian noises ever.
Huh.
Oh.
What? Okay. That one was really good.
What is that? How is that like that?
That was really good.
That sounded like a villager dying.
No, that's like... Like... Oh no. Okay, I think I'm done, but I'm not sure. Let me find the... Let me give him the boots. No, not me. The lay. There you go.
I was positioning this minecart in probably the worst way possible.
There you go. And then... teamwork.
Makes the team work.
Alright. Okay, oh,
J-Tech! Everybody!
Oh, is there any redstone down there? Okay, let's see. So I gave him the boots. So if I put the boots... Oh, I didn't set the item filters yet. Where did it go? Where did it go?
J-Tech! My water! J-Tech, what did you do? My redstone!
No! Where's the
One-
item?
One water bucket and it's all over.
Huh? Oh, there it is. Okay.
Also, you realize that's not work. How have you?
What?
You realize that doesn't work.
What
Like
doesn't
it will
work?
only start aligning it after like this block.
Fair. I don't know why I did that, actually. I think I just stacked it like that. I don't know.
I think you just haven't been in the TMC community for long enough.
Rude.
No, 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 no!
Wow, get redstone.
Should be using ice blocks, J-Tech, come on.
Ice blocks? I'm on survival.
Bro, is this really not how you place water? Like, you do this, you do that.
Bro,
and
that
you
looks
do
so
that.
cool! Whoa, bro, okay.
That's how I
Bro,
place my
give me a
water
heart
every day,
attack. Alright. Let's see if this works. Because I haven't made an LA filter since my storage days.
Wait, guys, it's that one redstone update where you have to put wool above it so it's silent.
Oh.
It's that one snapshot.
I don't know if it works then. And let's see, I guess. So if I put the boots... There you go. And then... Yep, there it works.
Okay, wait, what if we put like a good job? How many is this?
It's all of them.
10 plus
Wait, is it
1?
on 9? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, why did I put that many? What?
Yeah, 1,
Why can I not stack?
2.
Like-
Wait, no. Wait, how many? Are we separating spirit box into 3 items? Yeah,
Oh,
probably.
wait,
So, 1.
Spirit box? And
Wait.
Cursed Possessions just as 1 combined. Right? Oh no, wait, but we can. Oh, yeah, well. The boots is only 1, so it's.
Yeah, the boots is 1, but there's the maps.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 4.
You're
for
still
this-
wrong, though.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 though.
What do you mean?
1,
Aren't we
2,
still
3, 4.
aren't we still
5, 6,
renaming
7,
the
8, 9.
maps? Aren't we still renaming the maps to tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3?
Oh yeah, true. Okay.
Wait, should we? Sure, good question. Because like, or do you just want to name it thermometer, and that would be the name?
I mean,
I feel like that's more, but like that's. Wait, no,
but then you
that's
don't
a bad
know what
idea,
tier you
actually.
have.
Yeah,
you don't know
exactly.
what
You
tier you
wouldn't
have,
know. Okay, so that's 3 items. Okay. So this is 3, and then this is 3, so 9. 9 so far. And then this is 12. These are 2. So 14, because this one doesn't count, because this one's not like player specific, right?
It's
Right?
only the purple ones, right?
Yeah, but this one can just be given. To like you can just like drop
Mhm.
it. Right?
Yeah.
Because that's like not need. Yeah.
Wait, why did those maps need to be player specific actually?
What do you mean the thermometer? How would it know which one is
No,
in which room?
that's not a thermometer, it's a parabolic.
Wait, actually, good question. Does it not need to? Because isn't it like wherever you are in the room sometimes?
Yeah, okay,
Is that
fair.
how-
Let's have it ownership then. So it would be 3, 6, 9.
I'm at 14 and I have it on cursed objects.
9, 12, 14, 15, 16,
That's it.
17, 18, 19, 20, right?
No.
No, but all these maps are individual ones, right?
17.
What? 3, 6, 9. Right? Yeah. 3, 6, 9. 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, so, and with iron boots, that's 20. That's what I said.
You're still wrong. 17 plus iron boots.
Yeah, that's what I said, 20.
That makes 17 plus iron boots is 18, bro.
But it's 3 iron boots. They're renamed.
Oh wait, are we renaming all the iron boots too?
Why not? Why not? I'll also let you know what cursed possession it is.
The map? I don't know. I mean,
Yeah, but this one doesn't have a map.
yeah, I mean, like, these two could be combined, I guess, into one. If we want, I don't know. Okay, sure, then we can do 3 iron boots filters. Wait, does it care about the name? Does VLA care about the name?
I don't know, actually. Oh
It's
yeah,
pretty-
that's actually because if it does care about the name, then we might just want to do one. We might not want to rename them in that case. Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Doesn't care.
So we might not want to rename them then.
But it doesn't matter. It's just like if I disabled that if you come over here, right? I
Oh
marked
yeah,
this
wait.
one
Actually, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's
because there's only one cursed possession.
Because yeah, and it just needs to transfer ownership.
Yeah, and I made it so that you can't change the cursed possession quantity, and it's always at max at 1.
Okay.
Because like otherwise that like entire concept that we have relating to that is kind of annoying, and that's like
Yeah. Okay.
so otherwise we can't even do it because we can't do boots, right? Because we would
Yeah.
have to do like the
Yeah.
separate triggers, which we just can't.
Yeah.
Do. Like we
Okay.
could, but it would be like buggy, I guess. Part of. I don't know.
Uh-huh. So then we just need 17.
Well, you can still rename them though. You realize you can still rename them.
Yeah. So right now we have 8, so we need 9 more.
Yeah, you need 17 regular.
Yeah. So we need 9
Expand
more.
that way, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so that should be 17. Yep.
Oh.
Got the snow block.
Wait, you want to try it muffled? Yeah, I see.
Yeah, well, we gotta wait for a while because it remembers the position for like a while.
Does it?
It does.
How long to remember it?
I don't know.
But I think maybe not that the time I put. I did 2000 TPS for like 20 seconds. I don't think it's like that long.
Okay, do it.
I did it already.
No, but like the item.
Oh, you mean put the item?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay. So yeah, I picked it up, but it didn't, and now it will do it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean, I think that's fine because that's like far away, anyway.
And we can set it to a specific tone that we can remove
It doesn't even matter, I think.
because there are multiple.
'Cause, like, Because, like, look, it would be this, these all converge, then they all get sent into that stream, which that stream will go further. So you might it might not even be in range of like if it's audible.
Fair.
So,
Okay.
like, let's see. But, I don't think it will be audible. Like, if you're here, you don't even hear it. Or you hear it, like, a little bit. Okay, and then we need to take, like, an output from all of these, right?
Yes.
So we need to know which one's what.
So let's do Okay, so EMF, spirit box thermometer.
Do you want to just put some papers in there for a second?
No, I'm just gonna put some signs.
I mean,
Yeah, I might.
you should. Just set them up with some paper. And watch out with the ones with the books, because I still want to, still put the correct ones if there's books. Guys, we're getting stuff done. Can you believe? You believe this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot I could just use Redstone Essentials to neighbor update all this Redstone dust instead of having to manually replace it. So silly of me.
Okay, wait. There you go.
Wait,
Wait,
actually, JTech,
Yeah.
we can't know if they're holding the crucifix.
True.
So maybe we just don't add that feature. Or should we do it if they have it on them? What do you want to do?
Yeah, we could do if they have it on them. Actually, no, maybe that's not. That's not. Because like, if they place it down, we don't know who placed it down. Like, if there are
That's so
two.
important.
Yes, it is. Because then they're not holding it anymore.
Yeah, but like, we don't care if they're holding it. Isn't that what we say?
Yeah, so we remove it.
Yeah, so we remove it. So we don't have it. Okay.
And then what's the other two spots for? And there's no
the two cursed objects maps. Haunted mirror and Ouija board.
Okay.
I think, right? Is there one more?
Yeah, it was.
Tarot cards. Haunted mirror.
Yeah, it's 3.
Wait, actually. Wait, I'm confused. Do we make the Ouija board movable or no? Because then it... Like, do you care if the Ouija board's movable? Honestly.
I don't really care.
Okay, then we don't need a Ouija board as one of those, because it would just stay stationary.
Sure.
Wait, it doesn't even matter even if you could move it. Wait. Yeah, it doesn't even matter because it would just update the map and it wouldn't care who's holding it, right? I mean, wait, it does because it would care about who's asking the question.
Oh yeah, well, but you can ask multiple people like around can like ask it. Like, doesn't have to be the person who placed it down.
Oh, plus if we just keep it static, then we don't have to care about really tracking. We can just do if that player is in that room and there's a Ouija board and they ask a Ouija board question, then that is a Ouija board question. Like,
yeah.
Then that's probably just easier. And also, like, trading cursed objects sounds weird. Okay, so we don't need this one as well. We can remove Ouija board then, right?
Okay.
Like, can you move it?
What?
How do you move it?
Move what?
Let's remove this.
Oh.
I can move. Yeah. Oh, right. Entities move.
Oh, the...
Hello, buddy. How you doing now?
There you go. Hello, little guy.
Huh? How does that make sense?
How does what make sense?
Ah, there you go. I don't know why it was like staying connected because it
Oh,
should.
because I stacked it.
I know that, but like, I placed a glass pane next to it, and it like
Oh,
stayed that way.
oh,
Oh wait, right. Oh, that's what happened in the redstone event, where it's like that was why it like didn't like, you know, when somebody blew up a TNT at the back of the, and they were saying it's all illegal states, but it's technically not illegal states. I mean, it is, I guess, but like it wouldn't update. You know?
Yeah.
So wait, which one did we remove again?
The Ouija board we already and the
Yeah, but
crucifix.
what was the other? The crucifix.
Uh-huh.
Did you remove the tag next to it?
Yep, I did.
Okay. See, guys, trust them. Don't go check.
No, you can go check. It's gone.
No, I trust you. I'm not gonna waste my time checking.
Okay. So
That should be it, really. And then maybe we just do some paper right now. Rename it.
yeah, sure. And then we just have to send it to whatever like layer they try to send it to. I
Okay,
guess.
but now the real question is. Wait, this is actually probably just like a little bit. I think what we do is it's like a sort of like buffered order list. So like let's say let's say there's 4 people, right? Me, you, E, and I don't know, just person 2. I can't think of her name. And Mati. Right? So I want to send an item to Ikendu, right? I want to send 2 items to Ikendu, whatever, right? And Mati, at the same time, wants to send 2 items to you, and you want to send 1 item to Ikendu, right? And Ikendu wants to send an item to me, okay? So first, there's 2 options. It's either we do like I think the second option is better. It's either everybody has their own filter, right? And they filter their thing and like whatever. Or we do there's one global filter, and until my items are sent to Ikendu, right? Then Matty's items are processed or whatever from whoever was second. I think that's better
Okay.
because it's smaller technically, like less blocks.
Okay.
So basically, we have to do this here. So we have to do as soon as anybody clicks the validate node block, it should buffer or like not send their items. Wait, this thing. No. I'm confused. This is a bit more confusing than I thought. And then it should know who's next. Like it's like a wait list, you know. Sort of like a wait list. And it should know who goes next.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, how do we do that?
I don't know. Not entirely sure. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure.
Wait, maybe we just have the priority preset instead of a wait list. Like this one has the most priority,
Yeah.
this has the last, and whatever. So it would be like first, if there's nobody who sends items, right? It would like check if anybody else is like sending items, and then it will send its items, right? That makes sense. So it would just wait, and then, but if let's say pink, and pink sends items, then red. So pink items are currently getting processed, right? And then and during that time, lime and red are sending items, and since lime is the first one, it would then go first. Then it would check if there's any more. Then it would do red. Then it would check blue. And so
Okay.
every cycle would be like, is this person sending items? Is this person sending items? Is this person sending items? It says with light blue being less priority.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the best way to do it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So first thing is how do we... So a single process, there's no way you have to wait 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So we can just like drop all of them and then trapdoor it. And so like, let's like think. So
We could also use one of those cobweb things.
I don't think that's the use for it here. Oh, what would you? Okay, so that and then trapdoor. Oh, you're streaming. Remember you?
Yeah.
Chat. It's fine. We're professionals. This and then this. Can you work on the priority thing, maybe?
I don't know how we would implement that.
Bro, I literally just talked about it for the past 5 minutes.
No, I know, but like physics, like you know what I mean.
I know, but like that's for you to figure it out.
Okay, let me first like put this in the other ones. I should have probably done copy air.
Bro, this redstone is much better than our like old redstone.
This looks kind of good.
Kinda.
Yeah, this looks really good. So wait, so green has priority over pink. Pink has priority over red, and red has priority over blue. What?
But not over green.
Yeah. So it's basically just like chained priority.
Yeah, that's why it's easy.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not easy, but it's easier.
So if lime sends, then none of them can send.
Yes. If pink sends, then none of them can send. Wait, no. If pink's that's correct for all of them. It's more about the next person in the list will be this person.
Fair. Okay, I have an idea. Wait, so I will just put the items here, and then when it sends, it unlocks the trapdoor?
Yeah, using the storage down here.
Okay. Then I have an idea. Then
Remember, it has to be tileable or like staggered or whatever.
It is staggered.
Are you laughing at me?
No. I would never.
Lies and the biggest.
Okay, and then this would be no, that would just be the dusts. So it would be like that. And then so if
Okay.
it has something, then send it and block.
This is probably so far. I don't really know, but this is kind of our cleanest redstone in the project right now.
True.
Guys, stream, you're getting some good content. Please appreciate it.
And then it would be
Yes.
like this.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't even know, bro. I'm not even looking.
And like that. Okay, this might work. Actually, no, that's too big.
Yeah. So one too big.
One too big. That's fine. I can just move it one forward. Like that. And now it's not too big.
I hate that it's staggered, but cope. You know.
It's not staggered anymore.
It is.
What do you mean?
Because your first layer is aligned on this, on these 4 lines, and then your second is aligned on these 4. So I would consider that staggered. Maybe I'm misinterpreting.
But it's not. But it's not staggered. It's not like. But staggered is like that. It's different for every, like, neighboring cell.
Oh,
No?
interesting.
Like.
Maybe.
Oh wait,
that was...
I put them on the wrong.
Can you also paste my like dispenser thing though?
Yeah. 1 sec. No, I didn't do them on the what? Oh, okay. I just need another one. Yeah, I need another one.
Hey, wait. Anybody watching the stream right now, you want to know a quick trick? If you have any individual thing about your cells, you can place it above it, right? And then, you can then just like paste it back in whenever you need it.
Wow.
Oh, I know, right? But guys, this is tips and tricks number 502.
Okay, Mambo, this might work.
A very big mite right there.
I need to reset
Might,
them real quick.
mighty, oh mighty.
I really hope I didn't build it with the wrong state in mind. I might have built it with the wrong state in mind. So like this, it will just travel through and nothing will get powered. If I put a few items in here, I powered this.
That was close.
Actually, that's the wrong one. Actually, but it's still good for demonstration. So then we'll not power that, it will power that, reset it, and then travel through. I don't want it to travel through though, so it would have to be like that maybe. And then maybe don't make it maybe make it an observer input.
No, Panda, it's not a casino.
It's not a casino, no.
I know how much you love your casinos.
So if I do this,
He's gonna be very sad right now. He's gonna be very. He's asking you. Wait, you respond.
it's not
to
a
those.
casino. Okay, that works. Now I need to actually make it power the right thing. Because right now it's not. Just not.
Not. Wait,
It's
chat.
powering this cell like
Are we
over.
cooking? Are we cooking?
We are, but yeah.
Just because he said we have to add a casino.
Okay. I mean, maybe.
We're forced. We've been forced by the Almighty.
The panda. We've been forced by the panda man.
Nah. Bro's gonna get back his revenge after that one.
Why?
The panda man.
Is that gonna work?
Minecraft's most insane redstone.
Oh, okay. And then... Okay.
Oh god, this is gonna be so painful.
Why?
We haven't done the receiver, and the dropper for it is in the worst place.
Wait, what is it? No! No!
0 air gaps.
Fuck.
Worst thing, we can always like move it in the ceiling.
No, I think we can do this. We got this. We got this. Easy.
Wait for it. Wait for it. We can do it later. We can do it later.
No, but like, look.
Blah, 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 blah.
Look. Just like this. Just put it there, and then we can have this straight line.
Ah.
I think.
Good job.
Mambo, I cooked on this.
And it kind of looks great. Well, what does it do? Explain.
So never say Panda Man 3 times at 3 a.m. while looking into the sea, having bamboo in your right hand, have the salesman haircut, wear a watch on your left arm, have short pants, and being on your phone. Ah, okay. That's oddly specific.
Oh, wait, I got this. I got this.
Oh, Mambo got this. But look, Mambo, you wanted to know what it does?
Yeah, you can explain. I'll understand.
So basically what it does is when when an item goes into the dropper, it powers a latch.
Mm-hmm.
And then basically if the latch is not on, so there wasn't an item in the dropper, then it basically blocks a comparator going into the latch, basically going into the reset of the latch.
Yeah.
Which is connected to a really long line with, at the end of every cell, it also has a comparator, which is blocked if the cell is active. So it's basically going to find the one with the highest priority, so first in line, that has a value in the latch. And it's going to basically reset that latch, and then basically it's not going to go further down the line because it gets blocked as well by that one. But if there are no, like, but if there is one that doesn't have a value in the latch, it will just go to the next one, basically. That's what it does.
Interesting.
So like right now, none of them have a value, so it just goes like this.
I can look on stream, wait. I don't have stream today, so I'll have to wait a second.
So like, it's like that.
Okay, yeah.
But then, say I put some items in here. And then, see that powers. And now you'll see that the state is different from the other ones. So what it will do is this. See, it didn't travel further. And it reset the latch. You'll have to wait a couple seconds to see that, but you know.
Yeah. But I think I get it.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
And so if you like pass through, it would just be like
yeah.
a couple blocks.
But I feel like that gets the job done. And then we just need to power the trapdoor, right?
Yeah, you can power it however. I just like place it like that just for demo.
Okay. Yeah, so we already got that. So we just need to... Yeah, we just need to power it. That's all. Let me think. What... So it should get powered when this is powered. Yeah. So...
Hi. How do you say that? How do you say that?
Oh, that name?
The name. Say the name.
You sure?
Yeah, say the name.
I don't know if... Okay. Wait.
Where's that?
Okay, wait, I think I hooked this one up. I think. Actually, it needs to be like this. And then...
Wait, do you know them then? Like,
No. No.
Okay, you just got a dart viewer left.
Right, and then I got this part. Barely fits. Okay, there we go. Bro, that barely fits in. Okay, let's see if it works. So... Okay, so those are in there. Latch is set. And then if I power it... Oh, that power's for too short. Okay, what if I do that?
Is it working?
Yeah, give me... just, like, I need to reset this.
Yeah, no.
I mean, I'm not gonna add a pulse extender, but... It seems to be working. So... Probably like this. And then this section. There you go. And then... Let me try that again. There we go. And I feel like we can get rid of that. Okay. Why is that down? There you go.
They get clip on accident?
What? What do you mean?
I don't know what I mean.
Okay, Mambo, my circuit is done, I think.
Wait, my thing's almost done too.
Then maybe you can combine them.
No,
I want to see...
No, redstone.
Ah. What is it then? Yeah, why does that not work?
Okay, I got it.
Oh.
Tanda. Tanda. Tanda.
Oh.
Look, look, look.
Oh no.
Panda. 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 Panda.
Very nice.
Playing Matt Batwing's Flappy Bird, don't worry. Bro, it's Rogue summoning me.
Okay, okay, okay. And then?
Dude, there's so many people whitelisted, I just remembered. Okay. Bro, why did the summoning not work, bro? What is this? Oh my god. Why did it not... Bro, the summoning is terrible. Hell nah. Got my business suit on for nothing, too. Bro, I was playing Flappy Bird. I was playing Flappy Bird in like another window, bro. Trust me. I was on the phone, on the mini phone on the ground. You couldn't see the fucking phone on the ground, could you? So like, you know, just trust.
Okay, Mambo, look at this.
Wait, I'm just fixing this over here.
Hey, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It actually sent. It actually sent. Nice. All right. I'm happy with that.
How long does this summoning take?
Okay.
I must have gambled in the last 5 minutes. Oh god, wait, this... Okay. I'm gonna go gambling. I have an idea. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, JTech, can you... if I get a yellow flower, I get 2 diamonds.
Okay. Go ahead.
You have to put the bone meal, bro. You're
Oh,
the
I have to put the
salesman.
bone now.
You're the salesman, bro. Oh, okay, I'm going again. 2 diamonds. I double my money. So win. Okay, 3. Okay, bro. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go to the beach now for the...
Yeah, I mean, he gambled.
Like-
He lost, but
Okay, and then is that okay, that's all the conditions. And then what's that? Panda, 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 panda. I'm playing Flappy Birds. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Panda, panda, panda. Okay, there you go. That's the ritual.
Mhm.
I'm not doing any more stats. That's enough. Okay. So, what did you currently do? What is it currently?
This is just the priority system.
Does it work fully?
Yep. So if you, for example, well, it doesn't have to.
Oh my
The
god!
ritual worked. The ritual worked. It's like,
Oh my! Yes, bedrock too. Oh my!
Mambo, look, Mambo.
Uh-huh.
So if I send on green or lime, and I also send on red. See now how see how it's configured now?
So it's first sent green. Wait, can you do it again?
Wait. Now it should send the droppers. Yep, there we go. Send those. And then if I power it again, now it's gonna send the ones from pink.
Wait, power what?
This here.
Okay, so I guess this just has to be hooked up to any like send signal, right?
Yeah, pretty much. But it also needs to make sure like it also needs to make sure that like the previous item is done processing, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. Wait, can we just like make this line a little bit cleaner down here? Because it's
What line?
this bottom line. It's kind of ugly.
Okay.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You mean like that?
to do like this, like that, like this. It has to get a glow up, you know. Line glow up. I bet Panda's building casino already, bro.
Why? Why did you break it?
Yes, I'm making it cleaner.
Okay. How's that cleaner?
It really just is, bro. Come on.
What do you mean? How's that cleaner?
How's it not?
You gotta at least like do that.
That's ugly.
No, it's not.
Panda. Verdict.
Okay.
This or this? This guy's literally gone. Where did he go? Panda, come back. Panda. Panda, come here. Are you watching the stream?
Stream delay.
Yeah, stream tonight.
Let's see.
1 or 2? Bro's thinking about this really hard. Hey, he filled one. The stream delay is crazy. Okay. My question is, why is there like a 5th cell? Why is there 5 cells in total?
What do you mean? There not.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't that 5?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, but that's for the last one. It's
I'm just trying to understand the redstone. Like, that's it. And when does this get powered then?
That one doesn't get powered.
Can you just remove this piece of dust then?
Yeah, I mean you can also like. Yeah. Okay.
I think that's fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wrap it up, I guess. Wait, no, wait,
Yeah.
Panda. Panda.
Okay. Just type in chat by now.
He decided this, by the way.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, this is cleaner than what it was before. Like, come on. I don't know about the repeater. I don't really know. I don't care. But it's cleaner.
Okay. Sure. I think this is pretty clean, but
Just a lot of turns. This has like no turns.
yeah, but it uses a target block and it has this dust that's directed into the repeater.
I mean, that's like you're paying attention to the dust particles right there,
Not particles.
but like pixels.
Huh?
That's an attention to detail I've never seen before. Bro's looking at the pixels of a single dust instead of
Yeah.
just the general flow of the line. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus. What? Got that in chat.
Asking for a
There's like, you want to answer this one?
No. Maybe not.
I'm good too, you know.
Anyway, we've been streaming for 3 hours now. I gotta go do something now, so yeah.
You need to make money.
Need to make money, yeah. So I think we're gonna wrap it up for today. But we'll probably stream a couple more times this week. Probably.
Yeah. I mean, we're both on vacation. Wait, actually, does any of this? I don't know. But if anybody wants to see a GeoGuessr stream or like some part of it, we can definitely do.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably do a couple more streams this week. Might also release a video or two, maybe.
I should grind a video, bro.
But yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it for today. So
yeah,
I hope
very
you
good
enjoyed
progress,
the stream.
though.
Yeah, we made a lot
Very
of progress on this, and we got everyone up to speed with what we've been doing. So yeah,
3 hours.
I would say that was a productive stream. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and